Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable Face ID for your banking apps to make logging in faster and more secure, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up biometric authentication. Step 1. Ensure that Face ID is set up on your iPhone by going to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode, and following the prompts if you have not already configured it. Step 2. Open the banking app for which you want to enable Face ID. Step 3. Log into your banking app using your username and password. Step 4. Navigate to the app's settings or security section, usually found in the main menu or profile area. Step 5. Look for an option labeled Enable Face ID, Biometric Login, or Touch ID and Face ID. Step 6. Toggle the switch to enable Face ID for login. Step 7. The app may prompt you to verify your identity using Face ID immediately to confirm the setup. Step 8. Once enabled, you can log into your banking app using Face ID instead of entering your password each time. This provides faster and more secure access to your accounts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.